According to OSHA, electrical hazards are a leading cause of workplace injuries and fatalities. In 2020, there were over 1,000 electrical-related injuries and fatalities in the U.S. alone. Welcome to our training session on electrical safety in the workplace. Electrical safety is a critical aspect of workplace safety, and it's essential to understand the importance of electrical safety to prevent injuries and fatalities. So, what exactly is electrical safety? It's more than just wires and circuits, it's a shield against danger. Electrical safety encompasses proper installation, vigilant maintenance, and adherence to safe practices. Think of it as a safety net that prevents electrical shock, injury, and even loss of life. The importance of safety is about protecting people's lives and preventing damages to assets. Remember, a single electrical incident can ripple through an organization, affecting productivity, morale, and financial stability. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now to stay updated on the latest from OSHA and industry best practices. Let's explore the different types of electrical hazards that can put us in danger. These include electrical shock, burns, fires, explosions, arc flash, and arc blast. Each one poses a unique threat, but by understanding them, we can protect ourselves. Imagine accidentally touching a faulty wire or equipment and feeling a powerful electric current surge through your body. This can cause intense pain, muscle contractions, and even be fatal. Similarly, an arc flash can generate extreme heat, leading to severe burns and lifelong scars. Faulty wiring or overloaded circuits can spark fires that spread quickly, putting lives and property at risk. In enclosed spaces, a single spark can trigger a devastating explosion. And when high-voltage equipment fails, it can produce a blinding flash and powerful shock waves, similar to a small explosion. These hazards can have a significant impact, disrupting our lives, shutting down operations, and straining resources. By learning about these risks, we can take the first step towards preventing them and creating a safer environment for everyone.
Question 1. What is the primary goal of electrical safety in the workplace? A. To prevent electrical shocks and injuries. B. To ensure compliance with OSHA regulations. C. To protect equipment and assets from damage. D. To promote a culture of safety. The correct answer is D. To promote a culture of safety. Electrical safety is not just about preventing injuries or ensuring compliance, it's about creating a mindset that prioritizes safety in the workplace.
Every day, we face a variety of challenges that may compromise our safety. These include faulty and overloaded equipment and outlets, neglected systems, inadequate training, and even unpredictable weather-related risks. But, there's a silver lining. Regular inspection is our most effective defense against these potential hazards. Let's break it down. Faulty equipment, such as a frayed cord or malfunctioning device, can lead to electrical shocks or even fires. Overloaded circuits are another common cause of overheating, which may trip circuit breakers or lead to more serious consequences. A neglected system can lead to serious problems, such as loose connections, corroded wires, and hidden dangers. Inadequate training or improper use of personal protective equipment, PPE, puts workers at risk, emphasizing the importance of proper gear and knowledge. And then there are weather-related hazards, where rain-soaked circuits, cables and insulators or lightning strikes can add an extra layer of danger. But here's the thing, good organizations prioritize safety, and leaders take proactive steps to address these hazards, ensuring a safer workplace for all. Remember, safety is more than just a rule, it's a mindset. By empowering ourselves with knowledge and regular workplace inspections, we can stay one step ahead of potential dangers and create a secure environment for everyone. A single misstep on overhead power lines can lead to tragedy. These high-voltage lines are susceptible to various faults that can create hazardous conditions. The most common cause is vegetation interference, where trees or branches come into contact with conductors, causing power outages and electrical hazards. Loose or corroded connections are another significant risk, often resulting from inadequate maintenance or wear and tear. Broken or damaged conductors, insulator failures, and corrosion also pose significant threats, triggered by weather conditions, animal interference, or poor maintenance. Lightning strikes, overloading, pole top faults, and cross-arm or bracket failures can also lead to electrical hazards, including shock, burns, fires, and arc flashes. Improper grounding can even cause electrical backfeeding, making it essential to follow OSHA recommendations. This includes regular maintenance and inspections, vegetation management, proper tightening and corrosion protection, and regular replacement of aging infrastructure. Additionally, implementing safety protocols, such as permit to work, safe isolation and lockout/tag-out, application of grounding and proper PPE use, and complying with OSHA standards for electrical safety can minimize these risks. Remember, by prioritizing safety, we can prevent disasters and ensure a secure electrical network. In the complex world of electrical power plants and grid stations, safety is paramount. Yet, faults can still occur, contributing to hazards that put lives and equipment at risk. The most significant contributor is inadequate maintenance and inspection, accounting for 30% of faults. This oversight can lead to equipment failure and electrical hazards, emphasizing the importance of regular checks. Human error during operation and maintenance is another major cause, responsible for 20% of faults. Mistakes made by operators and maintenance personnel can have devastating consequences, including electrical shocks, fires, and arc flashes. Inadequate training and qualification of personnel also pose a significant risk, contributing to 15% of faults. When personnel lack the necessary skills and knowledge, they can operate equipment incorrectly, leading to electrical hazards. Furthermore, moderately occurred faults include electrical equipment failure, 12%, improper electrical connections and wiring, 10%, and inadequate safety procedures and protocols, 8%. These faults can cause equipment damage, electrical shocks, fires, and other hazards. By addressing these faults and prioritizing safety, we can minimize risks and ensure a secure electrical network.
Question 2. What is the most common cause of faults in overhead power lines? A. Vegetation interference. B. Loose or corroded connections. C. Broken or damaged conductors. D. Lightning strikes. The correct answer is A. Vegetation interference. Vegetation interference, such as trees or branches coming into contact with conductors, is the most common cause of faults in overhead power lines.
Electrical safety training is crucial for workplaces to ensure compliance with OSHA, IEEE, and NFPA guidelines, preventing electrical hazards, and protecting employees from injuries and fatalities. These trainings provide employees with the knowledge and skills to 1. Identify and mitigate electrical risks. 2. Understand and implement safe work practices. 3. Properly use personal protective equipment, PPE. 4. Ensure compliance with electrical safety standards and regulations. OSHA guidelines emphasize the importance of electrical safety training to prevent workplace electrical accidents. IEEE standards provide technical guidance on electrical safety, while NFPA standards focus on fire prevention and safety procedures. This channel has covered the crucial topic of electrical safety. To explore the channel, click on above link. PPE is a last resort to protect us from injuries and reduce the severity of incident. It shields us from harm. Let's gear up with the essentials. Insulating gloves is to protect workers from electrical shock by providing a reliable barrier against electrical currents. These gloves are designed to prevent the flow of electricity through the body, reducing the risk of electrical shock, injury, or even death. By wearing insulating gloves, workers can safely handle electrical equipment, tools, and conductors, ensuring their safety and well-being in high-risk environments. Safety glasses protect our eyes from hazards like sparks, debris, and UV radiation, ensuring clear vision and safe decision-making. They shield our eyes from electrical arcs and flashes, preventing irreparable damage. Arc-rated clothing and hood are crucial protective gear for electrical workers, shielding them from the devastating effects of arc flash hazards. These specialized garments provide a vital layer of insulation against extreme heat, flames, and electrical shock, preventing severe burns, injuries, and fatalities when arc flash occurred. As per OSHA guidelines, workers should wear arc-rated clothing and hoods when working with electrical equipment that could potentially generate an arc flash. Remember, the clothing and accessories must meet ASTM F1506 standards. By choosing the right arc rating for the task and maintaining it properly, workers can significantly reduce the risk of electrical arc flash injuries and fatalities, creating a safer work environment. Safety boots. Our feet are grounded with safety boots, protecting us from electrical shocks and slips. Fall protection. We're secured with fall protection gear, preventing accidents and ensuring a safe working environment. Remember, PPE is not just equipment, it's our promise to prioritize safety. So, suit up, protect yourself, and conquer electrical hazards with confidence.
Question 3. What is the purpose of arc-rated clothing and hoods? A. To protect against electrical shocks. B. To prevent falls. C. To shield against arc flash hazards. D. To provide insulation against extreme heat. The correct answer is C. To shield against arc flash hazards. Arc-rated clothing and hoods are designed to protect workers from the devastating effects of arc flash hazards, including extreme heat, flames, and electrical shock.
Navigating the complex electrical landscape at work can be treacherous, but OSHA, NFPA, and IEEE guide us with invaluable guidelines. OSHA sets the gold standard for electrical safety, demanding meticulous installation, maintenance, and repair of electrical equipment, OSHA 29 CFR 1910.303. OSHA advises thorough reviews of electrical systems, from equipment to wiring, substations to grid stations. NFPA standards emphasize fire prevention and safety procedures. NFPA 70E focus on workplace electrical safety, arc flash risk assessment, and protective gear. IEEE Illuminates and IEEE 70E offer technical guidance, the path forward with comprehensive standards covering grounding practices, substation design, and more. All standards recommend regular electrical safety audits and inspections to uncover hidden hazards like faulty equipment, loose and corroded connections, and outdated practices. Top management plays a vital role in championing inspections and setting the tone for a culture of safety. Let's unite in our commitment to electrical safety and make it a priority in our workplace.
Question 4. What is the importance of regular electrical safety audits and inspections? A. To ensure compliance with OSHA regulations. B. To identify hidden hazards and prevent accidents. C. To promote a culture of safety. D. To protect equipment and assets from damage. The correct answer is B. To identify hidden hazards and prevent accidents. Regular electrical safety audits and inspections are crucial for identifying hidden hazards, such as faulty equipment, loose connections, and outdated practices, and preventing accidents and injuries.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now to stay updated on the latest from OSHA and industry best practices.